Okay, so we had a few issues with making charts in Excel and Google. So I want to first of all, you can have something that kind of looks like this. This is a simplified version of this. But if I just drag across here, that'll grab the titles. And then if I hit Control, I can then drag over here. And depending if you don't grab things in the right order, you might have some problems. But then you ought to be able to do Insert and just pick a chart and pick Pie Chart, and you'll get this nice little thing. And then you can manipulate that and do some different things around, like adding data labels and things like that. You can drag things out. So you can play around with some, and that's in Excel. If you go to Google, essentially the same thing should work, except they've changed it, so it's kind of a problem now. So if I do this and then highlight, so once again, hold down Control and do another row, I get that. But then if I do Insert and Chart, if I scroll down, it no longer allows me to do pie charts. And what it says there is you've got to have the first column's got to contain the names and the second column the data. So if you want to fix that, first of all, let me close this if I can figure out how to close it. Close that. Okay. All right, so here's how to fix it. This is kind of a weird fix. If I grab whatever I want to use, I copy it, Control-C to copy. I go down, I do Paste, Special, and to transpose, that's going to flip-flop my rows and columns. So this is going to do that. Now my titles are over here, so I can highlight those, hit Control, highlight whatever else I want to put in my pie chart, grab those, and now if I do Insert Chart, there it is in, then I can do this now. So I can choose that, except maybe I have to, the button's not visible. Okay, Insert. And then just one advanced feature here is once I get that in there, which eventually I'm going to paste this into my Word document for my write-up. If you right-click on this and do Advanced Edit, you can do things like change those percentages to values. Okay, so hopefully that'll help out a little bit. And then you can change chart title, things like that. That's enough.